Chairman of the Northern Senate's Forum says is ready to bear the consequences of an earlier statement that has stirred controversy regarding Nigeria's national budget. This is as the Northern Senate's Forum disassociated itself from Senator Ningi's allegation of budget padding, describing it as a personal opinion and sentiment that has been proven to be incorrect. Senator Ningi, who also insists that he stands by some of his allegations, but says some others were taken out of context. The senator says he's ready to face the wrath of the Senate, even if it might lead to a suspension from the Red Chamber. This statement had unsettled many members of the Senate who found the claims to be misleading and putting the legislative arm of government in bad light.
At no time did I said Bola Ahmed Tinubu is implementing two budgets. There was no time. At no time.
So my information to you today is that, one, it is not true that we have two appropriations. Two, Senator Ningi must be charged to court for conduct likely to cause breach of peace